vlogs. Not sure how the audio is going to be on this. Hopefully it's okay. There is a bit of wind around today, but we're out here to check the crab pots and to see who's going to win the Pot Sessions Challenge. Will it be me? Will it be Dinky? Who's going to eat the head off a pilchard? Let's find out. Coming up on the first pot.
Keith's first pot. 2 crabs, but they weren't legal, so no points for Keith. Duck egg for Dinky's pot. OMG, is that a platycephalus fuscus in a crab pot?
But guys, that's a first for me. I've never caught